your learning motivation taking a vacation without you? Let's bring it back. Staying motivated to study is a universal struggle. Identifying the courses early can help you to re-engage with your studies. Today, we will discuss these 3 key points. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Studies constantly show that students' lack of motivation can manifest in various ways. Here are 5 of the most common signs. Number 1. Procrastination. Students constantly put off studying or delay tasks until the last minute. Number 2. Lack of focus. They have difficulty concentrating on tasks during study sessions. Number 3. Low enthusiasm. They often feel tired or drained even when it's time to study. Number 4. Skipping classes. They frequently miss study sessions and feel indifferent about it. And lastly, frequent breaks. They often feel like taking more breaks than necessary and struggle to get back into the study routines. So, what are the reasons behind this? Number 1. Lack of interest in a subject. Numerous studies have shown a significant link between students' interest in a subject and their motivation to study. When the subject is not personally engaging, they struggle to retain the information and maintain focus. Number 2. Overload. Taking on multiple responsibilities such as work and study can lead to exhaustion and a reduced capacity for learning. When you are overwhelmed by comparing demands, you are less likely to remain focused and may avoid studying altogether. Number 3. Unfavorable learning environment. A chaotic or distracting learning environment can also hinder your focus and productivity. Number 4. Lack of learning goal. A clear learning goal provides directions and purpose, motivating students to study. On the other hand, if no specific goal is set, you will easily give up when you face challenges. Or you may jump to another new course only to give up again when it gets hard. And lastly, unrealistic expectations. Setting overly ambitious goals, such as expecting to become fluent in a language in a very short time, can lead to frustration and disappointment. For instance, some English learners expect to speak English fluently within a month, which is not that realistic. When they cannot meet these expectations, they become discouraged and consider quitting. Once you identify the courses, addressing them can help you to regain your motivation. Therefore, consider choosing the subject that you are genuinely interested in. Managing your time effectively if you are balancing work and study. Setting a nice and organized space to study. Determining your learning goal. And lastly, understanding the realistic time frames required to achieve the goal. That's it for today. I hope these videos help you find ways to get back on track. Let me know if you have other factors that can also hinder your motivation. Until then, take care. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.